PR is one of the most effective ways to build on marketing strategies and build a solid reputation online. Hey guys, it's your girl Deja Monet, and today we're going to talk about what's PR and why you need it, especially if you're a business owner. But before we get started, make sure you download my free Get Featured checklist, which I'll drop below in the description box. Public relations, or PR for short, is the art of crafting and delivering messages to inform or persuade the public. The goal of PR is to get people to change their opinion or take action. PR is often done by business owners or businesses to help promote their business. A typical PR campaign can consist of a business being featured in a variety of different types of outlets, such as newspapers, magazines, blogs, TV stations, radio stations. So now that you're clear on what PR is, now we're going to talk about why you need it. So PR is great for building brand credibility. So when you have a PR campaign or an effective PR campaign, you're making sure that you're targeting the right people at the right time and at the right place. Place meaning the media outlet. So no matter what type of industry you're in, trust is super important. So if you're not taking time to build out your brand credibility, you're leaving sales on the table. So PR increases profits, sales, and leads. PR isn't complete without a marketing campaign. So a company that builds its reputation using a variety of different PR strategies will make it more likely for potential customers to connect with them. One of my favorite quotes that I always love to tell my clients is that people don't buy your product or service, they buy your story. So when you open it up through PR for you to tell what your business or brand story is, that forges that organic connection with your potential clients, and it makes it easier for them to want to potentially buy from you. So PR helps enhance your online presence. Obviously, since everything is digital, you cannot hide from having a digital presence in today's society as a business owner. So as a publicist, that is primarily my job, to help my clients show up online in the best way possible, and using my different connections to, one, make sure that they're talking to the right audience at the right place and the right time, like I have previously discussed. So, all right, so you now know what PR is and why you need it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.